Thanks for joining me today. I'm digital artist Aaron Rutten, and in this tutorial, I will teach you about the exciting new fluid paint brushes and properties in Corel Painter 2023. Fluid paint brushes are the newest brush technology in Painter 2023. These brushes take blending and opacity to a whole new level. You've never had so much control over the feel of your paint when working with a pressure-sensitive pen. Fluid paint brushes can smoothly apply paint, and in the same stroke, they can blend away harsh edges. This makes it really easy to create hand-painted gradients that go fluidly from one color or value to the next. One way I can use fluid paint brushes is to sculpt my paint by building up color and then softly blending it into underlying colors with the same brush. This feels very intuitive, and these brushes generate a lot of randomness and character, which helps digital paintings look more organic. For example, the subtle variations in blending, opacity, and texture all happen spontaneously. I'm doing with a few brushes what would normally require a dozen. I can also use fluid paint to replace or change the color of underlying paint by slowly building up the transparency. This can be incredibly useful for painting lighting effects. Fluid paint is a very versatile set of brush properties. In addition to oil or acrylic-based painting techniques, you can also use it for glazing, adding texture and grain with dry media, and for simulating wet media like marker or watercolor. There are two new categories of fluid paint brushes called Fluid Build and Sculpt and Fluid Paint and Blend. Fluid Build and Sculpt contains brushes with a digital feel that are ideal for blocking in color and shapes. You can build up smooth transitions and opacity and take advantage of enhanced blending and grain control. These brushes are ideal for concept art, storyboarding, comic art, and manga. Fluid Paint and Blend features brushes that feel more traditional and are better suited for illustrators, fine artists, and photo artists. Alongside the heightened control over opacity and grain, these brushes can do a combination of painting and blending. These variants only touch on a few of the different ways you can use this brush technology, so I encourage you to experiment and convert your favorite brushes to use fluid paint. Thanks for watching and enjoy Painter 2023.